All right, go ahead and pull out your sewing practice paper that looks like this. Now that you have your needle threaded, you're ready to begin sewing. So we're going to start with an overstitch. So what we do is come up through the back of our paper through that first dot. You can see on my paper there's a bunch of dots, and there's also an arrow going this direction, so I know I'm going to sew from left to right, and I'm going to come up through the dot very carefully, take my needle, and I'm going to go all the way up until I have my knot secured on the back. Don't pull too hard or it will come through the paper will rip. If you're having problems with your knot slipping through, you could also grab a piece of Scotch tape and secure it. You can't use that on fabric, but you could use that on paper. So we're gonna come to the back again, and I'm going to pinch my paper and come right through the hole again, pull all the way through. Not too tight, you don't want to rip your paper, just really softly, but make sure you make it all the way through. And I go ahead and go through the third dot. And you're going to finish this throughout the entire paper. Once you've reached the end of your sewing, I've completed all of the dots along number 1. It's time to tie our knot. So how you're going to do that is flip over your paper to where you're on the back side. You're going to go underneath this last stitch. And as you pull your needle through, it's going to form a circle. So what you're going to do is go back through that circle and pull gently, and that's going to knot your thread. So we're going to go ahead and double knot it. Go through that circle. And then you've got it knotted.